Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking my video. Today I'm going to share 3 quick summer refreshing drinks which can be made in just less than a minute. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you will receive my latest updates. So to make a mint lemonade, we need 3 teaspoons of mint leaves paste, juice of half a lemon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 glass of water. Here I'm using Himalayan pink salt. This salt contains little more minerals than the table salt. Then strain it in a glass with few ice cubes in it. Garnish with few mint leaves and the mint lemonade drink is ready. Check my description below for health benefits. Next, to make Jera Lemonade drink, you will need 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, a juice of half a lemon, 2 teaspoons of sugar. I added powdered sugar because it dissolves quickly. 1 glass of water. Mix it and strain it in a glass with few ice cubes in it. Garnish with some bundis over the top and you are done. The Jera Lemonade drink is ready to serve. Don't forget to read my description for health benefits. Now, to make easy buttermilk drink, you will need 4 teaspoons of thick curd, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 to 4 rings of green chilies, and 1 glass of water. With a buttermilk churner, churn it well for 30 seconds till you get big bubbles on top. Strain the water with some ice cubes in a glass. And garnish with some chopped green chilies and curry leaves. The cooling buttermilk drink is ready to serve. These are few easy drinks which takes less time to make and very healthy to keep your body running throughout the day, especially during the summertime. Try these 3 cooling and refreshing drinks at your home and don't forget to come back and let me know in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please like, share and comment to my video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.